Ready to unlock the secrets to market domination using just one powerful tool? First, head over to Statista and in the search bar, type in your specific industry, product, or topic of interest, like electric vehicles for example. Statista will then generate a list of relevant reports, statistics, forecasts, and studies. Browse through the results and click on the one that best matches your research needs. Once inside, explore the different sections of the report. Pay close attention to the key market figures, market insights, and forecast, looking for trends or statistics that can inform your business decisions. You can further filter the data by region, year, or other relevant variables to get a more granular understanding of your target market. Need this data for your presentation? Use Statista's export function to download charts, graphs, and data in various formats such as Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF. And that's it. You are now equipped to leverage Statista for market research, uncover invaluable insights, and gain a competitive edge. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.